Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I will put about m equals to this one and n equals to this one. So y multiplied by s and y. So we have 2xy minus 3y squared. So we have the s. That means we need to do first the derivative of m with respect to y. So we just have only this one. And you got about 2y. This one we don't have y. So you got number 0. We have dy. That means we need to do first the derivative of n with respect to s. So we just have only this one and you got number 1. This one we don't have s, so you got number 0. So we can say that this one and this one, they are same. So that is about exact. So we need to set up about the function f(y) equals to the integration. So I select about this one. So the integration of 6x, we have 3x squared. This one we have s. Next, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y for the both sides. So this one you got number 0. This one we have 2y. And this one equals to this one. Now we simplify 2xy for the both sides. So we have like this. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we have like this. After we do the integration of this one, we have y to the power of 3 over 3. Number 3 and number 3 in here, they cancel. That's why we have this one. So the integration of this one, we have 3xy. 3xy equals to this one. And I will put this one gone here. And we know that this one equals to fxy. fxy equals to c. And now we can simplify like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.